Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're having a look at the Japan Racing JR23. So the JR23 is available in diameters from 16 inch all the way up to 20 inch, and then from widths from 7 all the way up to 10.5 inches wide. The JR23 is available in either 4 or 5 stud PCD configurations, so we can get them in any PCD between 4x100 and 5x120. But if you don't see the PCD that you're after, then we can get the wheels custom built to suit your specification. So if you need a 5x105, then we can get those made for your exact specs. The JR23 comes in a range of colours. So we've got silver with the polished lip like you can see here in my hand, but we can also get them in black and polished, gold and polished, and a hyper black centre with a polished lip. So a good range of colours to suit your car. This is a really, really good wheel. It's like a BBS LM wrap, so we'll work on almost everything. So you could put these on an E46, an E92, and it would look like an almost OEM wheel. You could also put these on a Jap car, so these would look out of place on a Nissan 350Z or a Nissan S14 or like a little Honda. Like, you could put these on anything. It's a classic, simple recipe, mesh face and a lip. What more do you want? It's a great looking wheel and will work on everything.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.